ভক্তি কইলে সর্বকর্ম কৃত হয়। শ্রদ্ধা শব্দে বিশ্বাস কহে সুদৃঢ় নিশ্চয়, কৃষ্ণে ভক্তি কইলে সর্বকর্ম কৃত হয়। Shraddha means strong faith. If someone can develop Krishna bhakti, bhakti means your Shuddha bhakti, pure devotion, unflinching faith, complete surrender, then all work finished. No obligation, no duty is left behind, no work is left behind, everything finished. But we say, oh, I have so much to do for my family, for my family members, for my wife, for my children, for my house, for my property. So many things I have to do. How it will be finished? We have no faith. We have no faith. Krishna bhakti kaile sarva karma krita hoy. This is Shastric Vedic conclusion, and you have no faith in it. Out of 100, you'll find nobody has faith, real faith in the heart. They all speak from the lips, only speak from the lips. If you look at the heart, no faith. Such a thing is going on. You understand? How can you get?